7 home remedies for lung infection and cough you should know about. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remarkable Remedies and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 simple home remedies for lung infection and cough. So if you're ready, let's dive into it. Lung infections of all types can negatively impact your breathing and overall health. Mild lung infections, such as chest congestion associated with the common cold, can be uncomfortable and exhausting to deal with, but are typically easy to cure. More serious and chronic lung infections, such as pneumonia, will take more time and effort to clear up. However, with a combination of proper medical care and changes to your lifestyle, many of them can be cured. Here are 7 home remedies for lung infection and cough. Number 1. Drink plenty of fluids. When trying to get rid of a mild lung infection, drinking water and other clear liquids can loosen the phlegm that is in your lungs. Try to drink water throughout your day in order to stay hydrated. Warm liquids such as tea and broth are especially helpful for loosening phlegm in your lungs. All of these will help reduce your chances of developing a chronic lung infection. Number 2. Get lots of rest. You simply need to give your body rest so that it can focus on eliminating your infection. Try not to exert yourself too much physically and rest when you feel tired when you have a lung infection. If possible, stay home from work or school, stay in bed, and avoid doing a lot of exercise. If you cannot rest completely during your illness, at least try to get a full night's sleep every night. You may find it uncomfortable to lie flat on your back when you have a lung infection, so use pillows to help prop yourself up. Number 3, and this is one of my personal favorites, breathe in steam from a humidifier or a hot shower. Getting hot, moist air in your lungs can help break up mucus and relieve your cough. It will also open up your nasal passages, which can help you breathe easier if you are congested. Another way to get steam into your lungs is place your face over a bowl of hot water and then place a towel over the back of your head, covering your head and the bowl at the same time. Sit like this for several minutes, breathing in the steamy air, and you can repeat this several times throughout your day. Number 4, do deep breathing exercises. Do a series of focused deep breaths that draw oxygen deep down into your diaphragm. As you breathe in and out, be sure your breath is slow and steady, somewhat like meditation. If you begin to feel dizzy or lightheaded, stop immediately and return to normal breathing. Pay attention to the quality of your breathing as you go through these exercises. Please note, labored or difficult breathing is usually a sign that you should see a doctor, as it could be a signal that you have pneumonia. Number 5, try lightly beating your back. Ask a friend, partner, or family member to pat you on the back as you lean forward, or if you have one, hold a back massager against your back while you lean forward. This may help you expel or loosen any mucus that is trapped in your lungs. Number 6, try some ginger tea. Most ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, and what that does is it helps get rid of the pollutant from your lungs. You can have it raw or mix it in your food, but most people do prefer ginger tea instead. Number 7, saltwater gargle. Gargling every morning with warm salt water can be beneficial for your respiratory tract. It is an effective home remedy for relieving an irritated nose and throat. It helps in thinning the mucus, thereby making it easier for you to expel it. All you need to do is take a glass of lukewarm water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, just stir it and let the salt dissolve and start gargling. Okay, now, that's all I got for today's video on home remedies for lung infection and cough. And as always, if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family or friends. It does help me out a lot. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can get notified when I upload a video. Thank you for watching again, and please be safe out there. I know everyone in the world that is dealing with this coronavirus right now. It's causing a lot of stress on everyone, plus it's causing a lot of health issues for all of our loved ones out there. So please be safe, take care, and God bless. Thanks.